PCOD is a very common problem which we hear nowadays. In fact, 1 in every 5 to 7 women come to us with this problem. So the big question here is, what is PCOD, why does it occur, and how do we control it? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Archana Nirula from MyUpchar. First of all, let us understand what causes PCOD. Now there are a couple of hormones in the female reproductive system which are very important. Out of these, there are two hormones, FSH and LH, which are released from the brain. Under the influence of these two hormones, the follicles in the ovary, they mature, and on maturation, one of them gets released, which is called ovulation. If the woman gets pregnant in that cycle, she will not get her periods, and if the woman does not get pregnant in this cycle, she will get her periods 2 to 3 weeks after ovulation. Now, when a woman has PCOD, there is an imbalance in FSH and the LH hormone. In fact, the LH hormone rises. As a result, there is no follicle maturation and there is no ovulation. And the ovary gets filled up with these follicles, which themselves turn into cysts. As a result, it's called a polycystic ovarian disease or PCOD. The other important thing now is that what are the symptoms one has during PCOD? There could be irregular periods. In fact, many women and girls come to us and complain that they have periods after every 1.5 to 2 months, and once the bleeding starts, it does not stop. Along with it, there could be acne, there could be hair on the face, and weight gain. Now the weight gain is basically around the tummy region, and weight gain exaggerates the PCOD condition. PCOD itself causes weight gain, so many women get stuck in this vicious cycle. For a person suffering from PCOD, the major question which pops in your mind is, why me? Basically, genes and familial predisposition is a major contributing factor, but what I would like to emphasize here is that PCOD is also a lifestyle disorder. Women who have a very hectic lifestyle, stressful lifestyle, women who have erratic sleeping schedules, have late nights, or also have a very sedentary lifestyle with no exercise are major people who suffer from PCOD. Besides that, erratic and bad eating habits also contribute. Here I would like to elaborate is that if we eat too much of processed food, packaged food, fried food, and food rich in white flour, that is maida, we are bound to get PCOD sometimes in our life. If you are familiar with these symptoms and you feel that you might have PCOD, then the best option is to get yourself investigated. Now the couple of tests which are needed to diagnose PCOD, you can see on the screen are ultrasound pelvis. Secondly, there are blood tests which are done on the 2nd or the 3rd day of your periods. These are FSH, LH, prolactin, TSH, AMH, serum insulin, and testosterone total. Normally, PCOD or PCOS is seen in young girls and women in the reproductive age. So the treatment depends upon what problem or what symptoms you are having. If you are a girl having irregular periods, you might need to take medications to get your periods regular. Now these could be in form of Dian 35, Crimson 35 or Yasmin, but remember they have to be taken for 6 to 9 months and not without the consultation and prescription of your gynecologist. If you are a woman in your reproductive age group and you are trying to conceive, then you might need ovulation inducing medications, or you might need a procedure called ovarian drilling. That too, without the prescription and the guidance of gynecologists, you should not be taking. Always remember that PCOD and PCOS can be absolutely controlled. What you can do on an individual basis, on a personal level, is that you have to be highly motivated to keep your weight under control and to have a healthy lifestyle. So for that, you need to have good eating habits. You should know what to eat, what not to eat. You should also follow a strict regular exercise pattern. And always remember that medicines alone will not be able to control PCOD. Regular exercise, diet control, along with medications will help you to control it. Before I wind up, I would like to emphasize that in the younger girls, PCOD can cause irregular periods. In the reproductive age group, PCOD can cause diabetes and infertility. And above the age of 40, PCOD can cause endometrial carcinoma. So it's very important to control and treat it. If you need to talk to me or any other doctors at MyUpchar, kindly download MyUpchar app and upload in your details. If you like this video and found it useful, kindly like and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, kindly leave a comment.